Hello friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype app. Do you know how to find a solution about Skype app? You should just go to settings. Here in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. After that we'll enter to the window of Skype. So right here we go to Skype. Then in this page of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. After that we click on storage. Here we click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can make errors on your app. And in the end you can turn off your your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.